So I've been getting a few questions as to how I do my nails. Pudginess that I've been eating.
This is how I shoot. I don't even look at her.
So satisfying and just incredible to have all my makeup. Just a little reminder that I have a vlog channel. If you're not already subscribed, we'd love to have you over there. Currently, with everything happening in the world, we're doing a bunch of at-home vlogs. So if you're into that, I will link the channel down below. Good morning, Jupiterito. Oh, this is a good stretch. He woke up so much fatter today and cuter. I am on my period, people, and I'm suffering. This is period attire right here. Let's open up the windows. Flowers. It's a beautiful day. Taking a moment to read the Bible with someone that's trying to grow closer to God, so gotta put in that effort. Hopefully he gets rid of these period cramps. I always find that whenever I just have something cute to look forward to wear and decorate my body, I tend to work harder, I tend to work out better. This outfit makes me feel so tan, so cute. I know I'm not like your average fitness girl, like that's not who I tend to be. I'm just an average girl with little chichitos hanging out, but I have learned to love and to appreciate every little curve, every little uncurviness of myself. I think after like literally getting my breast implants out, I was like, you know what? There's nothing better than being yourself. If you could learn to just love the person that you are, you will never need anything else because you are always gonna be your biggest asset. I love an outfit that makes me feel confident. This looks so cute. Oh, it has pockets? Okay. Okay. You hype yourself up, girl. You hype yourself up. Wanna work out, Jupiter? You ready to work out? Yeah, let's do it. Today's gonna be a less intense day because I'm on, you know, Mother Nature's hitting me today.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Dennis always likes less than I do. It's like a little kid-sized meal. Nothing better than freshly squeezed orange juice. A typical day in our life. Embarrassing thing about this is not the first time that has happened to us.
Look, the thing is I normally turn on this vent.
Breakfast is served.
Tiger King, you mean Tiger Queen. Really cool, they were pretty.
Fun life hack, if you want your shower to feel like a spa, use some kind of mist, and when it's nice and hot, mist it in there, girl. It smells amazing. God, it feels like a spa. Daily ritual, I go here to my makeup desk, I open a little intentional book. What today's intention is, ooh, indulge. Yes, honey. I just organized this over on the vlog channel. It is so satisfying and just incredible to have all my makeup be nice and stored. I'm ready for my day. These past few weeks that I've been self-isolating and just being away, I've also been trying to stay productive, and the tip that I have found, make sure that you are still dressing up and not staying in your PJ. I have my little comfy slippers, but that doesn't count. This whole outfit is from Fabletics. Thank you so much to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. I can't for the life of me wear any jeans right now. All or any of the leggings or sports bras that you've seen me wearing in today's video is actually from Fabletics, the April collection. It's so cute, so comfy. Actually, let me just show you this one real quick. So this is today's outfit, super comfy, perfect for just lounging away at home. Comfy sweatpants, nice and high-waisted, holding in that little, you know, pudginess that I've been eating. So this top right here is the Floor crop top. It is literally so soft. I wish you could feel it. This shirt is made with recycled fabric, which is super interesting. And then these pants, guess what? They're made from recycled plastic bottles. Dennis made this amazing pasta. Chef Dennis. Some behind the scenes.
This is how I shoot. I don't even look at her.
Did the camera just die?
It doesn't matter. Go with it. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so these were some of the pieces that I wanted to show you. This shirt, oh my goodness. If you take a look at it like this, you're like, what the heck even is this? It has a really cool athleisure look. I also have been loving to wear these around the house. They're super comfy. It's like, this is what I want to be in all day, every day. So here's a little workout haul. All of their leggings are super incredible. Usually most of their leggings have pockets, which to die for. I keep mentioning it on Instagram. It's like the best thing. Their leggings are squat proof. They're durable. A lot of the leggings have this kind of compression right near this area right here, which makes me feel quite confident. Okay, when it comes to bras, they literally outdo themselves. Let me just show you. They're vibrant, they're colorful. They have the cutest, like coolest meshes in the back. This is what I was wearing this morning. Like, I love the mesh detailing right here. Very, very nice and comfortable, and also supports the girl. I've done jump roping in this, push up, and also just laying around being lazy and feeling cute. The colors, oh my God, can you just say amen? This is me in a bra. As many of you guys know, when I removed my breast implant, I had to find ways to make myself feel more confident up here and just like decorate myself, you know? And so I feel like having bras like this is so motivating. The material is so sturdy, really durable. For me personally, workout clothes can be really motivating, and so I love being able to just change it up. Their styles are incredible. The fabric is absolutely divine. Super form-fitting. The leggings just like suck you in, which is what I want, especially after eating pasta. And then this hoodie, even though it looks like a super basic hoodie, it fits super comfy. Also just has this really nice modern knot in the front. This shirt is everything. It's so simple. That's what I love. Their most simple pieces also are just like staples in my book. It literally feels like skin on you. It's just incredible, but it also has this really cute detailing in the back, like a cute little mesh. Ugh, I could wear this forever. Seriously, I'm obsessed. If you like any of my outfits or want to shop around, I will actually link Fabletics down below in the description. And if you haven't become a VIP member, you can actually now get 2 leggings for $24. It's a steal. All the information will be down below in the description. What I wanted to do next is actually organize all of this. As you can see, I am overflowing with workout gear. So I want to organize this, put everything away, know where my bras are. So the idea here is to take everything out to see what it is that I'm actually using and organize everything. Spring cleaning. Okay, these are kind of nice. Oh, but see, I don't use these. That's the problem, people. I have a lot of workout clothes, but literally don't work out. I'm gonna have 4 of these. I'm gonna line up 1, 2, 3 of these. Let's figure this out. The game plan here is to organize this based off of styles. It's like if something's long sleeve, then I'll put that with the long sleeve. It's a sports bras, blah, blah, blah. If you two come to help or to distract. So where we're at, little update, I am separating everything by darker tones, other capris but lighter tones, darker bras, lighter bras. This right here, people, is from Demi Lovato's new collection. Something so cool. For every Demi Lovato item that they sell, they're actually going to be donating $5 for crucial gear for frontline workers, which is absolutely incredible. Fabletics is pledging to do $125,000 to June 30th. I just think it's really cool. So if you guys are interested in that initiation, I will also leave that link down below. I'm putting a lot of the ones that I use the most here at the top. This method of organizing is the absolute best because stacking is so 2006. When you stack any kind of clothing, if you were to grab one, they all fall down. Whereas this way, you actually see them all perfectly. You pick it up, bam. Guys, I'm so tired. I think I'm just going to be on my phone, go on TikTok, waste my life. Super random. I just saw this bra. It's funny because I came across some. This was in Singapore Airlines, and they recognized me because of how much I wear this bra. I love you. I miss you. That was cool. I've been getting a few questions as to how I do my nails. Look how cute. I did this by myself at home. This is my little kit. Pretty much I file them using any kind of like regular little thing. Make sure to always buff your nails. This is a step that I'm quickly learning because all my nail polish would always fall off. It would like pop off and I didn't understand why, and it's because you don't prep right. As far as the nail polishes that I'm using, I'm not that big of a fan of regular polish anymore just because it doesn't last as long. So I've been using gel polish, and this is a brand that I use. It's called Red Carpet Manicure. They're so inexpensive, you guys. They're literally 10 bucks each, which I love. This one's in the color 529 color Splash. I get these stickers off a website. They're called Olive in June. They're so freaking cute. It literally spices up any look. Freaking adorable. I actually gave some away in my last video, so I'm gonna do the same in this video. If you're not already subscribed, be sure that you're subscribed and hit that little bell, and then head on over to my Instagram, this picture right here, and comment what videos you'd like to see from me next. And then I will pick a winner within 48 hours and announce it on stories. I will say this, they don't last as long unless you add a top coat. If you're doing regular polish, I would recommend like 3 top coats, but if you're doing gel polish, I just recommend like 2 top coats. And you end up with cute little nails like this, literally so low effort and just incredible. I got my period yesterday. I've actually been trying out the menstrual discs. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. It's so weird. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. This is literally inside of me right now. If you're interested in learning more about menstrual discs and if they're good or whatnot, check out this video. It's very, very interesting. We're about to watch Tiger King eating cookies. Dennis is about to make something cool. His shirt is always backwards, you guys.
I don't
always
really care.
backwards. Since I got married, there's not one day that's not backwards. This is the best ginger I've ever cut in my life. My husband is cursing up a storm because he's playing with all his friends, and I'm still eating cookies. Honey. Guys, Jupiter, my tea, and I want to wish you a beautiful night. Hope you guys are staying safe. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.